Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make a wall clock in AutoCAD. So at first I am selecting the polygon. Select a polygon which will be octagon. So 8, then enter, click here, inscribe the circle, it will be 3 inch. Then I am going to select the rectangle. Click here and another click is here. Then again select the rectangle, click in this point and click another point. Okay, then I am selecting again polygon and it will be 3. So and again I am taking it, enter, then click here, inscribed, and click here, then again select it, enter, click here and another inscribed, another click here, again select it, click, click here and inscribe in circle, another click, then again select it and enter, click here, inscribe in circle, another click is here. Okay, then I am going to select the circle. Okay, draw a circle, click here and another click is here. Then I am going to select another circle and draw a circle. Okay, done. Then I am going to select the line and draw a line. Okay, done. Escape. Then I am going to select the array. Polar array is select. Enter, then click on the center point, then show the table, it will be 12. Okay, done. I think it's complete. Again, okay, done the object. So I'm going to indicator, going to draw indicator, it will be the second line, second indicator, and it will be our indicator. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video.